Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to purchase coin on Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet and confirm your backup is complete, then fund your wallet with the correct currency. Choose the coin you want and check its contract address carefully to avoid scams. Use the built-in swap or D-app browser for purchases, reviewing slippage, fees, and gas costs. Always verify token details and trade small amounts first to confirm everything works. Next, pick the coin you want to buy by confirming the official contract address. Compare liquidity pools and recent volume to make sure you can buy without extreme price impact. Adjust slippage tolerance only as needed and review expected gas fees before confirming. If the token is new, consider buying a small test amount to ensure the token behaves as expected and your wallet interacts correctly with the token contract. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability, a fun small way to reward yourself after learning crypto. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a pair if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Now execute the purchase by selecting Swap or using a D-app within Trust Wallet. Input the token, amount, and double-check the minimum received and slippage settings. Confirm the transaction, approve any token allowances if required, and monitor the pending status until confirmation's complete. After finalization, add the token to your asset list if it does not display automatically, then review the transaction history for accurate records and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.